Hi, I'm Erica Woods, the Executive Director and founder of Shades of Autism Parent Network, and I'm excited to come to you from the comforts of my bedroom to let you know of a new program that we are launching for our fall 2022 for our families. I know, like many of you, given what's currently happening in the world, unfortunately in our schools, you may have began thinking about alternative ways to deliver education for your child. And so with that thinking, I started to create a homeschool plan for my son and really to leverage the Family Empowerment Scholarship more for this upcoming school year. And so in developing this homeschool plan for my son, who will be going into kindergarten, I thought I would open it up to more parents who may be also interested in doing homeschooling, but actually not doing it in home. In their bed. So instead, we're going to offer it at our center in the San Jose area of Jacksonville. So I'm launching, and you'll see here our announcement or our flyer on the educational support services that we're going to be offering at our center beginning in August. And our goal is, of course, to be that parent connection, that parent network organization. And so we're going to be empowering parents to lead everyday learning through this homeschool world for our children. So our mission within this our mission is to provide educational supports according to the unique development needs and competence of children. Our center, we specialize in the creative arts, so we include subjects like art, dance, and music, and world languages. I'm so excited to share that program coming out to you. We will be teaching our children how to be global citizens, and in doing so, we actually have made a partnership with an international school that resides in Africa. And through that, those children also have diagnosis of autism. So we're going to be creating a foreign friend social exchange program where we meet via Teams or Zoom and we collaborate and we partner with a child similar age and their family to meet a new friend in another country and expose our children and their children to new languages. So our kids are going to learn French as well as Swahili. So I'm super excited about that program, and more details will be shared, especially to those who are interested in enrolling. And so along with that exposure to global citizenship, our children will also experience weekly field trips to explore new locations, museums, to enrich their overall education that they will be receiving. We are going to utilize the curriculum of Time for Learning, which has been used for over 20 plus years for homeschool communities. So that will cover the core subjects of English, math, social science, and sciences for that curriculum. And we will use that as far as reporting back, of course, to the county and this district on our children's mastery of those subjects to progress to future years. And of course, more details will be shared with those parents interested in being a part of our homeschool learning club. And for now, we're going to be enrolling 2 homeschool learning clubs, a preschool focused one as well as a kindergarten focused one. And then the goal, of course, as our children grow, these clubs or pods of learning will also continue to grow within our center and build long-lasting friendships amongst our children and our community of parents. And now at our center, we welcome you to visit. We have totally redesigned it in many respects, and we have new designated areas and corners, and we're really excited. At least by July, our school garden should be open and ready for our kids to dig in and to begin planting and growing their own flowers. But just to go down our list of what we have now at our center, we have calming corners for our children who may need to self-regulate and to step away from wherever the activity are that they're doing. We create a little creativity space for our kids. We want them to be able to think differently and be free. We have a dining room, so we have our little cafeteria where the kids meet for breakfast or for lunch, and a little break room kind of area. We also now have like a learning STEM lab, and it's in the same room, if you will, but we have different sections within that room, so you'll notice that when you come to visit us. We have like a library, and now we do have a school van that takes our kids out on our weekly field trips. So we definitely look forward to interesting you and talking to you in regards to our homeschool learning club and how you can enroll your child in our programs to support you in that endeavor. And just to show you some more of our services here on the second page, let's see, here we go. So for the school year 2022-2023, so we're going to pretty much align with the Duval County school calendar as far as our dates of service of classes being done. And we will have a separate calendar as it relates to like sort of some of our time off and things, but it's very much so aligned with the school board calendar. So our first day of school is going to be on August 15th for our homeschool learning club. But the additional educational services we're going to offer is after school programs. This is a specialized after school program, so we will continue to offer music therapy, dance therapy, art therapy through our various partners. And we're also looking to actually bring in karate for some of the kids if they are interested. We have a potential partner there who wants to do that for our children. So we're going to be offering at least those 4 types of therapies within our specialized after school program. And we also have a certified Florida teacher who's going to be the private tutor as it relates to our learning pods or homeschool pods. So when the children come into our program for the homeschool, they'll be greeted by their teacher. And then they will come in, of course, with their own laptop or tablet, or preferred, to access their program. And then kind of co-teaching method is how our teacher will work with them privately and also have her own curriculum to support their overall learning of various subjects. And so along with that tutor, outside of her managing of the pods or the learning clubs, she can offer private tutoring for those students in grades between grades K and 5 as well. We're going to offer Saturday study and care. So that way for our other kids who may not be in our homeschool program, but maybe going through the typical private public school method of education, but need some additional support and tutoring, we're going to offer that service on Saturdays. Or if you just want childcare to drop off your child, you can do that with us as well on Saturdays. And then as always, we're going to offer monthly parent training, and that will always be free and available to parents either via online and definitely in person as we go along. And just to highlight what our tuition will be for that 10-month span of school. So our Awesome Kids Homeschool Club tuition, if you were to enroll in for the full day, which is the 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. kind of a school program, it'll be $8,500 for that 10-month period. So if you look at that as far as monthly costs, only $850 a month for that type of educational support and care. And then we have our extended day for those who may need to have their child stay the whole day until like 5:30 while they work. We have that as a support for our parents as well who want to homeschool. And then we have our specialized after school program for those who only want the after school program. So that's how that is broken out. So you can be in our homeschool learning club for the full day, only for that school day where it ends at 2:30. Or you can just be a part of our after school programs to have access to that music, art, therapy, karate, or whatever else you may include in our after school program. So there's, you see our other fees as well. But we definitely welcome you to go to our website, shadesapn.org/awesomekids. More details will be there in regards to our homeschool learning clubs and other educational support services. So thank you for your time and watching. I look forward to speaking with you, and you have a great day. Bye.